The hardest part of AI-generated test automation isn't writing the test, it's knowing what to test next. Most people use AI in test automation the wrong way. They open Cursor, type, generate a test, and expect a production-ready result. But a real automation project already has coverage. Existing flows, reusable subflows, naming conventions, architecture decisions. So before we ask AI to generate another test, we need to ask it to understand what already exists. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI as an automation analysis assistant to find the scenarios actually worth testing before you generate a single line of YAML. A real automation project already has coverage. It has existing flows, reusable subflows, helpers, naming conventions, and architecture decisions. So before we ask AI to generate another test, we should ask it to understand what already exists. Instead of starting with Generate YAML, we can use Cursor as an automation analysis assistant. We can ask it to review the existing Maestro test suite, summarize current coverage, identify missing or under-tested user scenarios, explain why those scenarios matter, and recommend what should be automated first. That is a much more valuable workflow. Because now AI is not just producing code, it is helping us think through coverage, risk, and business value. And this is exactly how professional automation work should start, not with random test generation, but with an intentional decision about which scenario is worth automating. Once we select the scenario, then we can move into generation. But we still do not blindly trust the output. We guide Cursor with a structured prompt: role, project context, selected scenario, engineering requirements, constraints, and expected output. This helps Cursor generate automation that fits the existing framework, instead of creating an isolated demo script. The goal is not just to get a passing test. The goal is to generate something that can live inside a real automation project. Readable, maintainable, reusable, and easy to review. In Lesson 7.4 of Module 7, we walk through this full workflow using Cursor and Maestro. We ask Cursor to analyze existing coverage, propose valuable missing scenarios, help us choose one, generate the Maestro implementation, review the generated YAML, and run the test. This is the difference between AI-generated automation and AI-assisted automation engineering. AI can help you move faster, but the automation engineer still owns the quality, architecture, and production readiness. That is what we teach in Module 7 of Advanced Mobile Automation with Maestro. Not just how to generate tests with AI, but how to build real AI-assisted automation workflows with Cursor. Stop asking AI to just write tests. Start using it to build better automation workflows. Subscribe for more content like this. New videos every week on modern automation, AI workflows, and what it actually takes to grow as a QA engineer today.